Hello and welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be diving down into Luna, also known as Terra Luna. Now, I have to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, that this happens to be probably one of the bullish looking charts that I have seen so far to this day in cryptocurrency. So everything right now is looking extremely bearish except for Luna. Luna actually looks really good in my overall opinion. So we're actually going to be diving down into the 4-hour chart, and then we're going to be taking a look at the 1-hour chart. So whenever it comes to Terra Luna, you guys can see that we have a beautiful, strong, long-term uptrend that we have been holding. Like, there is no question about it at all. We have backtested these higher lows multiple times, which is impressive. And we are still sitting close to our all-time highs. We're sitting around $90 at this moment. All-time high was right up here around $120. So we're not that far. We go ahead and take a look at our key level areas that we need to pay attention to. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and call out a resistance, which is probably going to be around $95. If Terra Luna happens to get above 95, then we have a great opportunity to become bullish. You can see there's a lot of resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here. So Terra Luna has to get a breakout back above this key level area in order for it to get a massive move and most likely continue back to all-time highs, which I think is probably going to happen. If Terra Luna happens to break to the downside, our key level support that we're looking for at this current moment is going to be right at $80. Now you're probably thinking, well, why $80? Well, I will show you right now. So $80 played as a little resistance over here, played as a lot of resistance over here, played as a support here, played as a support here. So Terra Luna, if we break below $80 along with the sloping support, then we're going to be breaking this overall massive uptrend that we have created. Like, it's crazy to see that this came all the way from $5 and hit a high of $120. Absolutely phenomenal. The overall trend still looks amazing in my own personal opinions. So Terra Luna, the big question is what are we going to be looking for? Well, I think there is a great chance that Terra Luna, alike with other cryptocurrencies, could be working for a nice consolidation. So what does that mean? Well, we're going to be looking for a trade sideways. We need to cool off is what we need. So we have a key level area right here at $80. We have a key level resistance right here around 95, technically all the way up here to about $100. So Terra Luna, I think there's a good chance that we're going to end up in a consolidation. We're going to trade sideways in this area, most likely for another good month or two. Once we get a breakout above 95, we're going to be looking for all-time highs. Not only that, you guys, but we do have our 200 EMA, which is right here, this green line. So the green line overall trend still looks good. We're just kind of fighting with it at this current moment. Now, if we happen to break below the $80 as stated, we will technically become bearish and we will be breaking below our key level areas. Our next key level support that we would be looking for would be right around $70, which would be about a 10% drop from $80. And that technically would make us turn extremely bearish. So we need to keep our eyes on Terra Luna. I do see that there is a very small sloping resistance, which I'm not too worried about. So the overall trend here is still extremely bullish. If we go ahead and dive down and take a look at the 1 hour, you guys will probably see the same thing, that yes, we are still extremely bullish. There's a good chance that we're going to get that confirmed breakout out of 95, probably most likely within the next good month or two. And once it happens, we're looking for a big pump up. Now, if Terra Luna happens to follow Bitcoin, then obviously it's not going to be looking good, but I am not worried at all whenever it comes to Terra Luna. So if you guys will, leave some comments down below and tell us, how do you guys feel about Terra Luna? Are you bullish or are you bearish? I mean, even if we take a look at the daily time frame, you guys can see that we're still way above the 200 EMA, which is all the way down here at $70. So, which is impressive. All the other cryptocurrencies are below their 200 EMAs on the daily time frame. So it's good to see that Terra Luna is still hanging in there very strong. So I'd like to see a nice consolidation. That's what I would like to see. I'd like to see us continue to hold the sloping support. Technically, if you'd like to, you can actually move the sloping support and say that it's a little bit further down. That's okay as well. And if you do that, you could actually say that the key level support is technically going to be all the way back down at the $70 mark where the 200 EMA is. So keep eyes on Terra Luna. As long as we continue to create these higher lows, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be looking for that massive pump to the upside here soon in the future. So thank you guys so much for being here. Smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you later, and ciao.